this is the Vandy Vape Pulse BF Squonker Mod. It is a mechanical mod made by Vandy Vape, of course, and in collaboration with Tony B, who is very well known in the vape community. And it also combines the Pulse BF RDA and the Pulse BF Squonker Mod. So why would you want a Squonk mod anyway? If you currently use an RDA and you don't want to carry around your bottle all of the time, this would be perfect for you because there's actually a bottle built right in. Along with that, this particular Squonk box, you can run a single 2700 battery or an 18650 battery with the provided adapter sleeve. But mech mods don't have any safety features.
False.
The Pulse Squonk mod actually does have a manual on-off switch, which is something we do not see often in the mechanical mod world. So to turn it on, you want to make sure the switch is all the way down, and to turn it off, you want to make sure the switch is all the way up. It's really that simple. So this RDA features a postless deck, which is like ridiculously easy to build on. All that you have to do is get your favorite coils, make sure you cut the leads exactly the same, put them down into the postless deck, and tighten them up. And it's literally just that simple. And one other thing that's pretty awesome is the airflow. Because the airflow holes actually point directly across the coils, that's going to give you amazing vapor production and awesome flavor as well. So there are a few people out there who are not familiar with squonking or mechanical mods at all, and one of those being Alex. So I gave one to him today. Let's find out what he thinks about it.
You know, full disclaimer, this is actually my first time squonking. And I must say, it is a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I definitely get more cloud production out of this than I do my switcher tank, right, or my switcher mod right here with the Cleto Exo tank. You know, I get kind of put off by like, oh, it's mechanical, oh, it's a squonker, I don't know what that is, you know. But then I actually try it, and it's like actually really simple, and it makes it a lot easier to just squeeze the bottle and put juice right in the RDA rather than me having whatever mod and throw a RDA on top and have to drip every 10 seconds, you know?
Right now we have 5 amazing colors to choose from, one being my favorite, this really pretty pink, along with green, blue, red, and that awesome Ultim color that everyone seems to like so much. And I want to know what your favorite color is. Make sure to comment down below, thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and hit that little bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you guys, and we will see you later. Bye guys.